Autonomous drones are revolutionizing agriculture, transforming it into a highly efficient, data-driven, and sustainable industry. These cutting-edge machines, equipped with advanced AI, machine learning capabilities, and imaging systems, have the potential to address some of the biggest challenges farmers face today. From mapping large fields to detecting crop diseases and applying fertilizers or pesticides with incredible precision, drones are turning traditional farming methods into streamlined, optimized processes. By scanning fields with high-resolution cameras and thermal sensors, drones provide farmers with critical real-time data, enabling them to make informed decisions about where and how to focus their efforts. No longer do farmers need to rely on guesswork or blanket approaches. Drones allow them to target specific areas that need attention, saving resources, boosting yields, and improving profitability. The impact of drones on farming is not just promising, it's backed by hard data. Studies reveal that farms using drones for crop monitoring have experienced yield increases of up to 20% and cost reductions of 15–20%. This is because drones eliminate inefficiencies in resource usage, ensuring that water, fertilizers, and pesticides are applied only where they're needed. For instance, drones can cover vast areas, up to 60 hectares in an hour, while using 40% less pesticide compared to traditional methods. In the United States, large-scale farms that adopt drones for pesticide spraying save tens of thousands of dollars annually, while achieving better coverage and higher accuracy. For small-scale farmers, especially in developing regions, drones represent a powerful opportunity to level the playing field. Programs offering shared drone ownership or government subsidies are making this technology more accessible, empowering farmers to adopt modern agricultural practices without requiring significant capital investment. Beyond improving efficiency and yields, drones are also driving job creation in the agricultural sector. Contrary to fears of automation replacing human workers, drones are generating entirely new types of employment opportunities. Farmers are learning to operate drones themselves, acquiring valuable skills that align with the increasing digitization of farming. Drone operators, maintenance technicians, and data analysts who specialize in processing the information collected by drones are now in high demand. Additionally, industries supporting this technology, such as drone manufacturing, software development, and AI integration, are experiencing rapid growth, creating thousands of jobs globally. This ripple effect demonstrates that drones are not just tools for improving farming, but catalysts for economic development, bridging the gap between agriculture and technology. The environmental benefits of drones in agriculture are equally transformative. Precision farming, enabled by drones, allows farmers to target specific areas of their fields for irrigation, fertilization, or pest control. This significantly reduces the overuse of resources and minimizes harmful runoff into surrounding ecosystems. For example, drones equipped with multispectral imaging can identify areas of crop stress caused by water deficiencies or nutrient imbalances, enabling farmers to address these issues quickly and effectively. Similarly, drones can detect the early onset of crop diseases, allowing for targeted interventions that prevent the spread of disease while reducing the need for excessive pesticide use. These capabilities make agriculture more sustainable by reducing its ecological footprint while ensuring that food production keeps pace with the demands of a growing global population. Yet, like any transformative technology, the use of drones in agriculture is not without challenges. The initial cost of purchasing drones and their associated software can be a significant barrier, particularly for smaller farms. However, these costs are rapidly declining as drone technology becomes more widespread and efficient. Government subsidies, cooperative ownership models, and financing options are helping to make drones more affordable for farmers at every scale. Ethical concerns, such as data privacy and potential misuse, also require careful consideration. For instance, the vast amounts of data collected by drones must be stored securely and used responsibly to protect farmers' privacy and prevent unauthorized access. However, these challenges are far outweighed by the immense benefits drones bring, and they are being actively addressed through innovation, regulation, and education. The most compelling aspect of drones in agriculture is how seamlessly they integrate with other emerging technologies to push the boundaries of what's possible. When paired with artificial intelligence, drones can analyze patterns in crop growth and predict future yields with remarkable accuracy. Combined with IoT, Internet of Things sensors placed throughout the farm, drones can create a synchronized network of data collection and resource management. Satellite imagery, when paired with drone technology, enhances the scale and precision of monitoring, providing farmers with a bird's-eye view of their operations. This synergy between drones and other technologies promises a future where farming is not only smarter but also more sustainable and resilient in the face of climate change and growing food demands. For farmers, the adoption of drones is not just about improving efficiency. It's about empowering them to overcome long-standing challenges and thrive in an increasingly competitive market. By reducing the reliance on traditional, labor-intensive methods, drones allow farmers to focus on higher-value activities, such as planning and strategy. For instance, farmers who once spent hours manually inspecting their fields can now rely on drones to provide comprehensive reports within minutes. This frees up their time to innovate and explore new ways to expand their operations. Additionally, the precision offered by drones ensures that every dollar spent on farming inputs, whether it's water, fertilizer, or labor, delivers maximum value, enhancing profitability and long-term sustainability. Drones are also reshaping the relationship between agriculture and technology, proving that even one of humanity's oldest industries can benefit from modern innovation. The companies driving this transformation, from drone manufacturers to AI developers, are at the forefront of a new agricultural revolution. They are not only creating better tools, but also fostering collaboration between farmers, technologists, and policymakers to address global challenges such as food security and environmental sustainability. By making farming more efficient and accessible, drones have the potential to reduce hunger and poverty, particularly in regions where traditional agriculture struggles to meet local needs. While concerns about job displacement and ethical dilemmas are often raised when discussing automation, the narrative around drones in agriculture is overwhelmingly positive. Instead of replacing human labor, drones are enhancing it, creating a symbiotic relationship where technology and humanity work together to achieve better outcomes. The growing demand for skilled workers in drone operation, maintenance, and data analysis underscores this point. By embracing these opportunities, the agricultural workforce is becoming more dynamic and tech-savvy, positioning itself to thrive in the future of farming. In conclusion, autonomous drones are more than just tools. They are transformative agents reshaping agriculture for the better. By increasing efficiency, reducing waste, and driving sustainability, they are addressing some of the most pressing challenges facing farmers today. Their ability to integrate seamlessly with AI, IoT, and satellite technologies further enhances their potential, offering a glimpse into a future where farming is smarter, greener, and more productive than ever before. As these technologies continue to evolve, they hold the promise of solving global challenges like food security, climate change, and environmental degradation. The question is no longer whether drones will shape the future of agriculture, but how quickly we can embrace this transformation to ensure a better future for all. So what do you think? Are autonomous drones the solution to modern farming challenges? Or are there other innovations that deserve attention?